Yo, what's up mga boss, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, GMLG TV. And for today's video mga boss, so nandito po kami sa Paho National High School. So nagsisit up kami sa graduation nila mga boss. Dalawang graduation dito sa day at saka night. So yan ang aming mga sit up mga boss. So yan ang aking subwoofer at saka SL nandito. Then sa may stage yung dalawang JBL Aeon 715. Then nandito rin ang aking dalawang power amplifier sa subwoofer at saka monitor. So meron akong monitor mga boss, isang speaker lang. Ang gamit ko is passive. So nandito ang aking mga wireless microphone. So yan ang aking wireless microphone mga boss. So dito ang aking snake cable mga boss. So yan ang aking sa kabilang stage, ang aking SL at saka JBL. So nag-start sila mga boss sa recognition 7 AM, then pagkatapos graduation.
Students, you are the living testament to that. You have not just sat in the garden, you've dug deep.
Ang ginagamit kong microphone dito mga boss is Prostax UR520.
You've embraced the challenge, celebrated the discoveries, and grown into the impressive young mind we have seen before us today.
So ito mga boss ang ginagamit kong lead wall, si GL Audio kay Sir Gerson.
Both big and small, we dedicate the conquering spirit that resides within each of you. With that, I welcome you all.
So ito ang aking equalizer mga boss, yung sa baba, yung aking front of house na speaker JBL at saka SL, then yung sa itaas mga boss, sa channel B yung subwoofer, then sa channel A yung monitor.
Of a 21st century learner or a millennial. Dili ang tanang millennial, dili dali mo give up. Palaban bisag unsa pay ang isagubang na mga kalisod. So maulay.
So nagsimula na po silang nagbigay ng mga award.
Accountancy, Business and Management. The following awards: District Meet 1,500 meter and 3,000 meter and gold medalist, Unit Meet 1,500 meter and 3,000 meter and gold medalist, City Palaro 3,000 meter, 1,500 meter, 4x100 meter, 4x400 meter run gold medalist, Sibiraka 2024 1,500 meter and 3,000 meter run gold medalist, Palarong Pambansang Qualifier Batang Pinoy 2023, 3,000 meter run silver medalist, Philippine Athletics Track and Field Association 2023, 3,000 meter run silver medalist, 1,500 meter run bronze medalist, and Rank 7 gold Philippines in the women's division. Humanities and Social Sciences. Sanico Mary Laverne Catherine E. Humanities and Social Sciences. Somalino Danica, Accountancy, Business and Management. Enzo Nicole and Joy S, Humanities and Social Sciences. District Lead Dance Sports Champion Grade A, Unit Lead Dance Sports Champion Grade A, City Palaro Dance Sports Champion Grade A, Simira Dance Sports, Slow Waltz, silver medalist, Tango, silver medalist, Giannis Waltz, silver medalist, Slow Foxtrot, silver medalist, Quick Step.
So ito na mga boss, yung graduation sa day.
Tabania Shiname. She will be receiving a recognition for winning 5th place in managerial ranking, school district press conference, and 2nd place in spoken poetry during the district Filipino Values Month.
Okay, Accountancy, Business and Management. Gas A, prepare. Gas B, palihog 4.
So ito na mga boss, natapos na ang graduation sa day. Then pagkatapos mga boss, nag-prepare na po sila para sa graduation ng night. So ito ang setup namin mga boss. So shout out kay GL Audio, kay Sir Gerson sa kanyang lead wall. SL12 Pro. Dahil ang subwoofer ko dito mga boss is Dima JBL Aeon 715. So nandito ang aking mga wireless receiver. Meron akong backup na iMix. So ito ang aking mga amplifier sa aking passive, subwoofer at saka monitor. Monitor ko is Beta 3 TS360 passive. So ito na mga boss, ang night school, graduation ng night school mga boss.
Creatively and lead with compassion. Go forth, kabataang Pilipino, and be the change we envision. Be the voice for a brighter tomorrow. Remember, the future is not something to be inherited. It is something to be built. You hold the power, the passion, and the potential to shape.
So mga boss, hanggang dito na lang aking video mga boss. So huwag mo namang kalimutan i-subscribe ang aking YouTube channel, Jim LG TV, and click the notification bell para more updated ka sa aking mga bagong videos. Salamat mga boss and God bless.